Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In today's hands-on session, we're unlocking one of the most crucial capabilities of the Pandas library in Python, essential functionality for working with series and data frames. Reindexing. Let's start with reindexing, one of the core features in Pandas. Import pandas as PD, import numpy as npobj equals pd.series 4.5, 7.2, minus 5.3, 3.6. Index equals BAC, print obj, hash reindexing to a new order, obj2 equals obj.reindex. A, B, C, D, E, print obj2. Notice how E wasn't in the original index. Pandas automatically fills it with NaN. Now for forward fill with time series, obj3 equals pd.series, blue, purple, yellow, index equals 0, 2, 4, print, obj3.reindex, range 6, method equals fill. This is extremely useful when handling missing timestamps or gaps in sequential data. Reindexing data frames. With data frames, reindexing works for both rows and columns. Frame equals pd.dataframe, np-arrange 9.reshape 33. Index equals A, C, D. Columns equals Ohio, Texas, California. Frame 2 equals frame.reindex A, B, C, D. Hash reindex rows print. Frame 2 states equals Texas, Utah, California print. Frame.reindex columns equals states. Hash reindex columns. That's concise and powerful. Dropping entries. Now, let's look at dropping values from series and data frames. Obj equals pd.series, np-arrange 5, index equals A, B, C, D, E print, obj drop C, hash drop 1 print, obj drop DC, hash drop multiple. And in data frames, data equals pd.dataframe, np-arrange 16.reshape 44, index equals Ohio, Colorado, Utah, New York, columns equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Print, data.drop, Ohio, Colorado, hash drop rows, print, data.drop, 1, 2, axis equals columns, hash drop columns. You can even use in place equals true to modify directly. But be cautious, that's irreversible. Indexing, selection, filtering. Let's talk about indexing and selection. Series behaves a bit like NumPy arrays, but more flexible. Obj equals pd.series, np-arrange 4, index equals A, B, C, D, print, obj, hash label based print, obj2, hash position based print, obj2 is to 4, hash slice print, obj, B, A, hash fancy indexing print, obj less than 2, hash filtering label slicing is inclusive, print, obj B, hash includes C obj B equals 5 hash assignment. This will modify the values at both B and C to 5.0. Data frame selection. Data frames allow column access via print, data 2, hash single column print, data 3, 1, hash multiple columns, row slicing and conditional filtering, print, data 2, hash top 2 rows print, data 3, greater than 5. Hash condition data less than 5 equals 0 hash boolean masking print data. This operation updates the data frame in place, making it easy to clean or pre-process your data. LOC and ILOC. Here comes the real indexing power, LOC for label-based and ILOC for integer-based indexing. Print, data.loc, Colorado, 2, 3, hash by label print, data.iloc, 2, 3, 0, 1, hash by position print, data.iloc, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, hash row, call slices, combining filters, print data.lock Utah 2, print data.ilock 3, data.3 greater than 5. This selects first 3 columns for rows where 3 greater than 5. That's it. These are essential functionality in Pandas. You've learned how to reindex, drop, slice, and filter data. All core operations in any data analysis, workflow.mastering reindex, drop, LOC and ilock gives you full control over your data. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.